How to create chat folders in Telegram. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started and keep watching till the end. Open Telegram app on your device. Tap on the three horizontal lines icon at the top left corner to open the menu option. On the menu, tap on Settings option. On the Settings page, tap on Folders. Now tap on Create New Folder option. Now enter the folder name. Tap on Add Chats and select the conversation you would like to add to this folder. Once everyone you want is in that folder, tap on Save. On the same way, create another folders such as Works, Friends, etc. You can rearrange the folders by pushing up and down. But the coolest part is, if you head back to the main chat section, you will see a tabbed user interface showing the custom folder you created at the top of the chat section. And that's it, you are done. This is how you can create chat folders in Telegram. Thank you for watching.